Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Wednesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have a little bit more humidity on the way for today. Dew points mid-60s, but that will keep going up into tomorrow. Dew points getting into the low 70s, making it feel a little bit uncomfortable, and then we'll drop back down, but we'll find kind of a baseline humidity around the mid-60s, so it will be at least slightly humid through the weekend, if not outright humid, and we'll keep that into next week. But the rain chances also kind of follow this trend of increasing into tonight and then dropping as we go into the weekend. So here's future track. Cloud cover is already building in, and there are some showers out to our west. Those are likely weakening as they try to move in about the late morning into the afternoon. Still maybe some scattered light to moderate showers here through the afternoon into the evening. But really the main event, so to speak, is going to come overnight. Starting about 10-11 p.m., these storms redevelop off in central Iowa off of the warm front that's lifting to the northeast. And watch as these storms just really explode in coverage, and it's basically going to cover most of our viewing area, if not all of it. That's going to be some pretty heavy rainfall coming with that, a lot of moisture to work with in the atmosphere, and also maybe some strong storms. You could be talking wind gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour, even some small hail along with all the lightning that we'll probably see tonight. But it's that moderate to heavy rain that will pretty much continue through the overnight hours into the morning commute tomorrow. So it is going to be a wet one, a slower one for your Thursday morning commute. And you want to watch out for some ponding on some of the streets and whatnot. Otherwise, as we go into the mid-morning hours tomorrow, a lot of that is going to be clearing out as the warm front is through. It's going to be a big break of probably partly cloudy skies, warm temperatures, pretty humid conditions for a lot of Thursday. And that cold front will be moving through as well, and that should be the focus of another round of strong to severe storms. But there's a lot of questions as far as how quickly that system is going to move through and where those storms develop. So the best potential for us here in eastern Iowa will be between 7 and 10 p.m. tomorrow evening, mostly for areas south of I-80 and mainly just kind of skimming across Washington, Johnson, and perhaps Cedar County. So a very small window for strong to severe storms tomorrow evening and for a small majority of our viewing area as that cold front swings out. Beyond that, it's going to be some non-severe thunderstorms and some scattered showers for Thursday night into Friday as the low off to our north will kind of stall out and try to swing in some more clouds. But meanwhile, the rainfall amounts, which most of this is going to come tonight, will be anywhere from half an inch to an inch and a half. The numbers have trended down a little bit, but still a good drink of water for the entire viewing area. And I would not be surprised to see some spots picking up 2 to maybe even 3 inches of rain, depending on those heavier downpours that we could see overnight. Meanwhile, the severe risk will be highest out to our west and then out to our east for tomorrow. So in between, we do have a level 1 out of 5 risk for tonight. Again, some strong storms possible, but the overall severe risk should be fairly low for us. As far as temperatures go today, should be the upper 70s to the low 80s. A little bit windy today as well with a southeast wind. And for tonight, with a 100% chance for the showers and storms, looking at lows down to about the mid and upper 60s. City by city forecast here will be a little bit warmer tomorrow, low to mid 80s. And then with the cold front passing by for Friday, it's cooling down slightly. Humidity will drop, but we can't rule out an isolated shower, especially in the afternoon. Should be a dry weekend with plenty of sun, and we're going to warm back up. It's going to get pretty humid, and we'll keep that basic August feel throughout next week. Highs about the low to mid 80s. Should be a front coming through sometime in the middle of next week that could give us a rain chance around Tuesday or Wednesday.